Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond, where wellness isn't just skin deep, and today it includes tails, paws, and the occasional wet nose.
Yep, we're going there. This is episode 1 of our new mini-series, Paw and Potion, all about natural pet care. Because let's face it, our furry friends deserve better than chemical-laden shampoos and mystery-scented sprays.
And the spark for all of this? A brilliant and thorough book written by Jan Benham, Pet Care with Essential Oils and Their Friends. It's changed the way we think about grooming and caring for our pets.
Seriously, after reading it, I took a hard look at the bottle of shampoo I'd been using on my dog, and let's just say I wasn't proud.
Same here. I used to think if it said gentle or had a picture of a puppy on it, it had to be safe. But some of those ingredients, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfate, synthetic perfumes, stuff I wouldn't use on my own skin.
And get this, because animals lick themselves, they're actually ingesting those ingredients too. It's like bathing them in chemicals and then handing them a spoon.
That image is horrible, but spot on. Jan's book really drives that home. And what I love is how empowering it is. She doesn't just warn you. She gives you real, simple solutions.
Like making your own dog shampoo with oatmeal and lavender, or a calming mist with hydrosol instead of overpowering perfume. The difference it makes in your pet's behavior and coat is amazing.
And she shares real stories too. Like Coco, her shop's mascot, a dog who used to scratch constantly until they switched to natural grooming. Within days, she was calm, shiny, and happy again.
It's not just about avoiding harm, it's about giving our pets something that actually supports their well-being. And honestly, I think we forget that pets have skin too, sensitive skin.
Yes, and the book goes into depth about how cats in particular are more sensitive to certain essential oils because of how their livers process toxins. There are some oils that are just absolutely off-limits, like tea tree and wintergreen. And next time, we're going to break that down.
We'll also talk about how to tell what your pet actually likes, including a simple sniff test that helps you figure out what calms them and what they'd rather run from.
And then in part 3 of this mini-series, Jan herself will be joining us to talk all things blending, healing, and how to start creating your own safe pet care routine.
In the meantime, if you want to check out her book, and we really recommend that you do, you can find it at aromashop.com. And if you're in Canada, head to annaracehealth.ca and search under DIY essential oils and ingredients. We'll drop the link in the show notes too.
Let us know if you've tried natural grooming before, or if your dog has a favorite scent. We'd love to share your stories in the next episode.
Thanks for listening to Beauty and Beyond. Until next time, give your pup or kitty a cuddle from us.
And may thee treat them to a lavender paw massage while you're at it.